Welcome guys to the code tech. Today we are learning Einstein coefficient A and B derivation. Start E1 and E2. Uh, the N1 and N2 are the number of the atoms. Okay, in the lower state E1 and the upper state E2 we have the number of atoms N2. Okay, so here basically the E1 is need as called as absorbing and our E2 state called excited to high energy. The number of atoms from N1 to the N2 are going. So basically the whole process is known as stimulated absorption. So here NAB is directly proportional and 1Q. Here the Q means energy density. N1 is number of atoms. So we can write a statement, the number of atoms, or we can say the number of transition per unit is directly given by number of transition per unit time is given by N of AB is equal to B of 1 2 and 1 Q is known as equation number 1. Q is energy density and 1 number of atoms, B1 is a proportionally constant. So this whole reaction is basically we can say stimulated absorption is equal to upward transition, because the number of atoms are going to N1 or number of atoms of N1 from energy state E1 or to E2, it's going upside, so it is basically known as upward transition. United state, here the E2 to the E1 is a lower energy excited state. Here the photon equal to energy hv. So here NSP, here the SP means spontaneous emission is directly proportional and 2 means this. So we can write this spontaneous is equal to A21 N2. Here A21 is a proportionally, here is constant, into is the number of atoms, and NSP is a spontaneous emission. So our third is stimulated emission. Here also the two graph are be there. This is our E1 and E2. Here also this goes like to this, but here it's basically, here will be photon due to photon. So here the rate of transition directly proportional and to Q. So NST is directly proportional and to Q. The transition per second, and ST is equal to B to 1 and 2. Q is known as equation 3. The Q energy density, N2 is number of atoms, and B21 is R proportionally constant. So we have the three proportionally constant, the B21, A21 and B1. Substituting equation number 1, 2 and 3. So A21 and 2 plus B21 and 2 Q is equal to B1 2 and 1 Q is known as equation number 5. So rearranging equation number 5, we get B1 2 and 1 Q minus B21 and 2 Q. How we get this is the here, and then the term this is goes to the left side, so it is the here, and this term is come here, so it is A21 and 2. This is meaning of rearranging the equations. Here we get Q as a common, Q common, and get this both terms in the bracket, B12 and 1 minus B21 and 2 is equal to this term as it is A21 and 2. Okay, the Q is basically common here, and this term is here A21 and 2, and this goes downsides, B12 and 1 minus B21 and 2. So this whole we can get equation number 6. So dividing numerator and denominator by B1, 2 and 2, this term, this is called numerator, and this part is known as denominator. So what will be our equation? So here Q is equal to A21 B21 N2 upon N2 and B12 N1 upon A21 N2 minus B21 N2 upon B21 and 2. So here this is cut down, and here is an and to cut down. So the equation is just look like A21 upon B21. Here the 1. So how this 1 is come basically? So this is all is about this. It right this, and 1 it means this because the space is the clear, so this is represent as a 1, and the downside this whole bracket is come here, and the bracket of B12 upon N1 and B21, and this at the common N1 upon N2, or minus 1, because this whole term is cut down, so it means it is a 1. So this whole the statement is our equation number 7. So N1 upon N2 is equal to E upon HV upon KT. What is this? Why this is given by this? Because this term is known as, or EHV upon KT is known as Boltzmann distribution equation. So Q is equal to A21 upon B21 1. Substituting we get B12 upon B21 E HB by KT or minus 1. So by using Planck's radiation formula for energy distribution. What we get? Q is equal to 8 pi h v cube upon c cube upon 1 is hv upon kt minus 1. Question number 9. So comparing 8 and 9 equation, we have B12 upon B21 is equal to 1. So B12 is equal to 1. B12 is equal to B1 is known as equation number 10. So A21 is equal to B21 equal to add pi hv cube upon c cube is known as equation number 11. So since B12 equal to B21, so this all is known as Einstein coefficient for A and B. Thank you for watching Code Tide, guys.